Inspiration can strike anytime, even during your travel and commute. To cater to all your needs, we designed the OneGo Backpack to be a stylish yet functional camera bag. Open the OneGo from both sides so you'll never have to miss a shot. Grab your gear in seconds. Perfect for on the go. OneGo's full opening gives you unobstructed access to your bag's contents. The main compartment uses the Module Pro system. It uses detachable dividers to professionally secure your camera or drone. It also offers customizable storage for all your creative needs. The battery pocket is multifunctional. It has a coin that you can use as a power indicator or wrench. Built-in dividers make it easy to take out your laptop or tablet. The inner pockets keep everything organized. OneGo is a backpack for photography professionals. It uses new technologies like air fiber for a sweat-free experience. TPR padded straps lighten your load considerably. And simply use the removable strap for extra support. PU coating makes OneGo water and wear-proof. OneGo, functional and stylish. The perfect photography bag for every occasion.